Well, Redblock Jesus here. Probably wondering what the hell this is for and why I have it. The Infinity's gone, and I decided to get something a little less reliable and a lot more fun and comfortable. So I bought this. It's a 04 V70R, silver with goby. Absolutely hate the goby seats. They look, they're cleaned, but they look dirty, and the floor mats as well. Yeah, you get it. But I picked this up a couple weeks ago, and I've just been doing some stuff to it, trying to make it a little more comfortable of a car to daily drive. It has a IPD oval tube exhaust, so the 3 1/8 inch exhaust. I did take the muffler off of it, so it is a little louder, how it should be. But being a white block, you got the service airbag, driver door, whatever, anti-skid service required, alarm system required, and then you're good. But she still runs great. What else we got? I put in this radio, actually this whole section here. This is an 06, hands are dirty, I was working on the wagon. 06 S60 T5 center console with the 06 S60 radio stack. It's not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to have the, the full, whatever you call it. But the 06s have this trim around here. And I also pulled the steering wheel out of that T5. Kept the airbag. My old one didn't have this perforated leather or this trim ring down here, but so far I'm loving this car. It's got everything I need. Heated seats, AC works. Exhaust sounds great. I did do some upgrades, like the radio itself. And then up here, I did the the FCP Euro motor mount with these strut bar mounts here, which I might get rid of these because it causes a lot of vibration in the car, just because that's so stiff and it's transmitting it to the cross member and it's making the dash shake at idle. So I might throw some rubber ones in there. I just kind of got those because they were cheap and they look good. But we did a compression test when I first got it. I think it was like 140, 135, 140, 130, 135. It was pretty healthy. So I threw some new plugs in there. Overall, it's a very, very clean car. I'm not a fan of the wheels. I want to do some 5 spokes. It's got some bumps. There's that exhaust. I did install the backup camera while I was doing the radio, and luckily I found one on eBay that just goes into the license plate light, but I still got to replace this one to match the color of this one. But it works. No third row, unfortunately. But yeah, it's an 04. 170,000 miles, I believe. 174,000. Paid $3,500 for this thing. I like to think I stole it. Don't mind the trash from Amazon packages in there. Yeah, you can already hear everything vibrating. But the second I go over idle a little bit, it just goes away. So I'm probably going to buy some, the ones that were on there, those strut bar bushings were shot. So I'm probably just going to buy some rubber ones that are new to go back in, because this is just, the vibration's annoying as hell. I'm not a fan of it. But that's been my new daily driver. Also added these sick, totally unnecessary. Yeah, but I did it. And that's what I've been working on. Kind of lost interest in working on this, so I've just been screwing around with this car. It's been very fun. But right now I am doing the motor mounts on this so I can get that engine that is over there in this car. And that is going to be a different video for y'all, so y'all don't get to see that in this video. But yeah, that's all I got for you right now. Just wanted to update y'all on what's going on. Infinity's gone. S60R, well, V70R is here. So now I'm full Volvo. Well, I've got 3 automatic turbo Volvos. Well, actually, I've got 3 Volvos. 2 don't have any engines or transmissions in them, so everything's all sitting here. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for what's going on with this. I've been slacking, but I'm about to kick it into high gear to get all this put back in. I had the motor on the ground so I can try to mount the transmission to it. But other than that, y'all will see that in the next video, which is going to be a long video because it's a month of footage compiled into one long ass video for you guys to pull up some popcorn and just watch and laugh and make fun of the shit that I do. Oh, there's an Arizona tea can way back there. Cool. Well, that's all I got. See you on the next one.